and I want to go live on YouTube. I'm going to choose an account. I'm going to go to my channel, It Is Training, and I'm going to go live. As you can see, my Zoom is preparing to live stream the meeting from Zoom to YouTube. This computer I'm on with its connection is a bit slow. Let's see if it comes on. It is good. I'm gonna just turn off the volume so it doesn't disturb us. So we got that going. The content of this meeting is being sent to a third party. We got that. I'm recording. As we can see on the top of my screen, I see recording and I see YouTube. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen. And now what I want to do is go to my RSS feed, right where you see it. So I'm going to go to right here, https rss.com podcast. It is training. I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to put it into a tab and paste it. Let's see what we got. So you can see right here, I have automated trading systems. When you're creating it, they ask you to have a cover. There's a cover of a picture for me. And now what I want to do is I want to log in order to, and notice here, it says this podcast does not have any episodes yet. So I want to close my captioning right here. I have my support. And what I want to do now, I go to my how-to, and I can even put how to upload an episode. So RSS provides you the features. Go to my dashboard. And I'm on my dashboard and I want to go to looking for unique GIF right here on my dashboard. You see here where it says new episode. I'm going to click on new episode and I'm going to bring up my notepad. And I'm going to put the title is this, Strategy Analyzer Backtesting and Optimization. I copied that string, copied as my title. We'll put paste. And I will do the description of this session covers automated trading systems and its parameters. Just to show episode notes. Paste. And season, we'll call it season 1. We'll call it episode 1 for right now. Later on, for right now, we can do episode art. That'll be optional. This type is full. It doesn't include any explicit content. And here in the keywords, we can then do automated trading systems. We'll create it, and then we'll also do another one called algo trading. We'll call it back testing. We'll add, and then we'll do also optimization. Just as an example. We added, okay. And now they want to upload an audio file. So I'll click on audio file. I'll go to my downloads. And I have an audio file right here called Strategy Analyzer. Let me put this into my notepad, copy it, and say open. Okay. And we want to limit to gigabytes. We support popular formats. So I'm going to save it. And if the uploading is in progress, can you just shut down and go, Mike, because I have feedback coming back. So it looked like it was just asking for audio, not video. Okay. So that's all right. So now what we need to do is go to settings. Now I have to, once I have that new episode, the audio is done, draft episodes. I go to settings, and then it says enable email in my RSS feed. Do you see that, Dr. Rutt? To protect your privacy, we hide your email account. Some platforms still rely on the email to verify ownership. That's what happens in YouTube. By selecting enable button, you can make your address visible in the RSS feed for 12 hours.
Can you just review how you click on settings to get to the enable?
It's right up here where it says settings.
So when you opened it, this is the first screen that came up. You opened your
in my automated
dashboard,
in my dashboard.
RSS.com.
Yes, my dashboard. Okay, we'll go over it again. Okay, I just don't have the time right now to answer all your questions, but definitely we'll do another session if you have some issues. But this is all I need to do is enable my email. And your email will temporarily be available for 12 hours because I want to go back to YouTube and see if my YouTube will now work. I have one audio file and I've enabled my email. You understand? I have 11 hours and 59 minutes. Okay. The next thing I want to do is I want to go to YouTube. So hopefully this will work. I now have my RSS feeds. Do I have both of those in my notepad? Because I'm going to need it for Google. So let me just go back for YouTube. I need 2 RSS feeds. You see here in my notepad, I have the one in which I go to my, which is highlighted, is my podcast where I can see it myself. And this is my feed, which is an XML feed. Now, hopefully this will have taken precedent. It's in draft mode. So I don't know in draft mode, does it still see it? Do you understand what I just said, my podcast?
Draft mode.
Right. Do you see here? Okay, I don't want to should I publish it so that way it'll see it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should publish it. Yeah. Do you understand? And it's audio. You see that? So I'm going to publish it. So in case Amazing, just upload. How was your experience? Okay, not sure yet. I love it. Okay, fine. Okay, so maybe later. Okay, so at this point, I want to go to YouTube. I'm gonna go to youtube.com. I'm on It Is Training. I'm gonna move my loom a bit so I can see. And in this case, I'm gonna go to podcasts. You see this on the bottom? No, I don't want to explore bottom. I'm on It Is Training. I want to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, I'm in YouTube Studio. That's where you need to be. This is what was confusing. You see that? I need to be on YouTube Studio. I need content, I believe. I want to go to podcasts here. And now you remember what I needed to do? How do I do that? How do I connect? You remember? Okay. Here's my automated trading. It says public, manually RSS feed. Okay, this is the part. So did you see here? I went to my podcast details using NinjaTrader. If you connect to your podcast, then the new episodes added, you may choose to upload old episodes. So I'm going to go to connect. I'm going to go connect to an RSS feed. Go next. And now I need to put my RSS feed here. So let me make sure that I have it in my buffer. Edit, copy, RSS feed, paste. So you see this, what I just did?
RSS feed paste.
And I'm in YouTube, and you have to be in YouTube Studio. You understand? You have to go to content, and under the podcast details, I'm entering an RSS feed. Let's see, and I had a mistake last time. And it says checking. Click send code to send a verification to DRS Rush. You see that?
Yeah.
So I'm going to send code. And now I have to go to DRS Rush and look for my code, verification code. Okay. And it asked me to verify It Is Training to allow it. And here is the code. Caps WZC6H9. Do you see this? I got a call, I got a verification from YouTube saying it needs a verification code to make sure it's me. A 6 key was sent, click verify. Now I verify. Okay, we've done well here. It says choose which episodes you want to upload from the RSS feed. I'm going to say upload all episodes. Okay. I have the choice of since March 6th or do not upload any. And I'm going to say, it says automated, it will take some time to upload. By default, new episodes will be audited to the RSS. I'm going to click next.
To upload episodes that are short, otherwise.
I only have one episode and it's audio, and that's all it's fine. Now, do I want the visibility to be public?
Put everything public, and later on
I can change it. Everyone can watch your video. So should I make it private for right now? Okay, now I'm going to save, and then I can change it later. Save. It will take some time to upload selected. Any new episode will be automatically uploaded to your channel. Okay, that's it. It's connected. We're finished. Okay. So what I did, I'm going to review. I have 2 minutes left of our session. I'm going to close. So what did I do? Let's review. I went to my RSS feed. Let me just show it to you. I went to my RSS feed that I created on rss.com, and I went to my dashboard. I created a new episode, and I published that new episode in my RSS feed. Now, then I went to YouTube. Oh, and I also made the email. I went to settings and made my email public. It will be available in 11 hours and 52 minutes. I could hide my email right now since YouTube has already gotten it. So you want me to hide my email?
No, keep it public, so
So what?
other people can see.
No, because they, oh, okay. So it'll be for, I'm gonna hide it, just to let the people know. So now I'm gonna hide my email. It's already been collected. We know what we need to do. I'm gonna hide my email. Your email is now visible in RSS, but will only hidden in 11 hours. By continue, you'll hide it now. So what do you think I should do? I'm gonna hide my email now. Okay, so my email was hidden. So we did that. Now, if I go back, which is interesting for myself, let me go back. Wait, I don't have time for that right now. I'm sorry. When I have time, when I go back, you can review this. When I copy, I'm going to go to another tab. Look at the tab I'm doing. And look at here. So can you come look at it? See, this is RSS feed. Here's already season 1. It has strategy, interline, backtesting, optimization. This session covers automated trading. This is already hooked to my RSS.com.
This is just an audio.
Right. I don't know how to upload. You just told me audio files
The
only.
same,
I don't know how to
it's
do.
the same thing, except that you click on an MP4 video. So see if you can find a small one in your
No,
channel.
no, I don't
Right.
have time to do that. My
Let's
goal
put it-
today,
let's
my
put
goal
it-
today was to connect, okay? And now let's see if it works.
Sure.
I will go live on YouTube. I will choose an account, okay? And I will go to, so it does work. The audio comes through. And this, of course, needs to be edited. You can see how when people send this out publicly, you can see how they really need to do a lot of practice, a lot of editing. Okay, but we've got the process done. That's what we want. And now I want to go back to my YouTube. And if I go back to my YouTube studio, I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm in my accounts. I go to my channel. I go to my podcast. You see here? Can you come here for a second and look at it? I just want to see if it's available. You see here my podcast? Automated trading. Now notice here it just says 3 episodes.
The 4th one didn't come
Coming
through.
through yet, I think. YouTube directly, APIs, again, all of this is. I don't have time right now. Zoom is trying to keep us in there.
It
said, it doesn't take.
And
This way we don't have to upload anything. I'll tell you what happened is when I did the automated systems, I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, well, thank you very much. What did we want to accomplish? That YouTube recognized RSS feeds. That was our deal. Later on, we'll upload videos. We'll find out how to upload videos and we'll continue. Thank you very much for listening.
How do you exactly go to your RSS feed?
Okay? We don't have that time right now. Okay? So I'm here. Let me go back to Zoom. I'm going to stop sharing. And now I'm going to stop in YouTube. I'm going to stop recording. Stop recording in Zoom. Yes.